Compressors. Compressors are the source of pneumatic power. These can be classified into two categories: positive displacement and non-positive displacement type. Piston type and screw type are positive displacement type and most widely used compressors for small and medium power pneumatic applications, while centrifugal and axial type are non-positive type. Piston type compressor: air inlet, air outlet, piston, cooling fins, and cylinder. This is the most widely used type of compressor in the industry for production of compressed air. It has a piston cylinder arrangement with inlet and outlet valves. The piston is driven by a crank and connecting rod, which converts the rotary motion of the motor into reciprocating motion of the piston. In operation, in the first cycle, the half revolution of the shaft, the inlet valve opens, the atmospheric air is drawn in by the piston as it moves down. In the next cycle, the second half revolution of the crankshaft, the inlet valve gets closed, the outlet valve opens, and the air is compressed as the piston moves up in the cylinder. The air compression process is accompanied with an increase in temperature. The air is cooled by providing fins around the cylinder. Screw type compressor: intermeshing screws, air inlet, air outlet, and drive shaft. A screw compressor is a rotary type compressor which is simple in construction and operation. It has two intermeshing rotating screws with close working tolerances. These screws are housed in a casing with inlet and outlet ports. In operation, as the screw rotate, the atmospheric air is drawn in, trapped between the rotating or meshing screws, which is carried along the screws up to the outlet port. Since the screws mesh continuously, the air compression and delivery occurs continuously without any pulsation. For wear-free and reduced noise operation, some kind of lubrication forming a thin oil film is used. The oil injected to the chamber lubricates the screw surfaces and forms a seal so that air is compressed efficiently as the screws mesh continuously.